artificial intelligence. They say it's going to take over every industry, also known as AI. But can you use AI to close your first real estate deal? Is this stuff really that powerful, how the internet claims? Because I've noticed when people run towards a certain word, normally it gets overhyped and it's really not what it's supposed to be. But let's see if we can leverage AI to close our first wholesale deal. All right, so we're gonna go to Deal Machine, right? And with Deal Machine, it's basically a driving for dollars app. And in order for you to get a 7-day free trial, most of the features, you can go to gurudriving.com. Gurudriving.com. Make sure you pause, sign up so you can do this wherever you're at. Now, let's get back to this AI thing. Now, what I can do is I can go to any city in America, well, anywhere in America, right? Any 50 states, right? So if you hit this arrow button, it's going to show your exact location. I'm not going to show the exact location. I don't need people knocking on my door, right? All right, so what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to go to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In the words of Cameron, I know Steelers who are not from Pittsburgh. All right, so let's go to Pittsburgh, okay? I'm zooming in on Pittsburgh, right? So that's downtown Pittsburgh. I'm trying to get to the neighborhoods of Pittsburgh. Let's go here. Okay, now I'm in the neighborhood of Pittsburgh. I'm gonna go click on this street right here, right? Now I'm clicking on this house for privacy purposes, so for YouTube doesn't take down my video, all addresses will be blanked out. But I'm in Pittsburgh, I'm on Amabel Street, right? What I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on this arrow next to this, right? What I like about this particular app, right? I got the person's phone number right here. All I gotta do is click on this phone number and I got some emails. So I can call them right here. I can call them, but like, what do I offer? Like, what do I give them, right? Like, what do I say? I can hit up Alma, which is right here. Alma is the AI, the thing, is their AI thing. So listen, hi, I'm Alma, your real estate AI assistant. I'm still learning, so cut me some slack, ask me anything about Amabel Street, right? Not gonna say the address for privacy purposes, but listen, analyze the property, okay? Now, I'ma say, what kind of investment strategy are you looking to use? Wholesaling, fix and flip, buy and hold. I wanna do wholesaling. I'ma say, based on the provided data, the estimated loan balance of this property is $179,000. The max allowable offer is $94,485.30. Okay? So, what I'm going to do is, right, I can pick up the phone, call this seller, and offer, hey, $94,000. What if you like, okay, I know what to offer now, but what do I say? All right, let's say this, right? And as far as the loan balance, that's an estimate. The seller may or may not owe that. So the seller might say, yo, that's too low. Or the seller might say, yeah, let's get that done. All right. So please, again, like Alma said, cut us some slack. It's not going to be 100% accurate. All right. So listen, let's do this, right? What do I say to seller? Perfect. All right. When speaking to the seller, it's important to be honest and transparent about the numbers in the situation. Here's a suggested approach. Suggested approach. This is something you can say to seller. You can ask Alma, if I text the seller, what should I say? This is the text message they're going to give me to send the seller. You know, this is from AI. You know, yes, cut Alma some slack. I will use a different approach, but you can use these tools for the person, you know, it's your first time doing this, right? So let's go to another property on Bingham Street, and I'm gonna hit this arrow. They only got an email, and they're saying this person is just likely written. So this is not the person we need to talk to, right? So they don't have this person. So it's gonna vary. Sometimes they're gonna have the information, sometimes they're not. But I want to know, how much should I offer? I'm going to tell them, analyze this property, or help me write an SMS message to send the owner. Okay, so look, this is a good introduction text. Hi there, Nasser here. Are you open to exploring new opportunities for your property on, let's chat, reply, sell to start the conversation. Okay, now look, check this out, right? That's how you can start the conversation up. I'm going to analyze this property as well. So I can copy and paste that, text that over. Very detailed with the analyze of this property. But this is my actionable steps. I'm just going to go to the actionable steps, right? This is what I can offer. $123,332.30. Okay? And I can offer that, right? And then if I get down the contract, I put my $10,000 fee on top of that. I'll just try to sell it for $134,000, But this is leveraging artificial intelligence to get your first deal. Now we can do this all day, but you see how Deal Machine put AI into their software to make this process easy for you. And I just showed you some real basic level stuff. So make sure you go to durudriving.com and sign up for your 7-day free trial. Also, be sure to look at the pinned comment for the link. I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Peace.